What you want is likely closer than it seems to be. In this video, the number one sign that what you want is coming and is near. This is a sign that the things you're wishing about, praying about, hoping for is actually closer than you think. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. So, the number one sign that what you want is closer than you think is that you feel the energy or the emotion of what you want even without the physical representation of it. You want money, but you feel so good, you feel so abundant, you feel so vibrant, you feel so much prosperity, you can feel it in your body. It's like you don't even need something outside of yourself to say, oh, the money's here, you feel it. You want love, but you're not feeling down and out because the last relationship haven't worked out and no one on your online dating app seems cool and it's been 2 years since you went on a date that you really like. You don't feel like, you feel excited. You feel so much love from God, from the universe. You feel so much love for yourself. You look in the mirror and you're like, I love me. I love my life. See, the number one sign that what you want is that you aren't waiting for your physical senses or the outside world to tell you that what you want is here or what you want is coming. Most people live in reactionary consciousness their whole life. Well, I don't see the money, I'm starting to get nervous, and I really want it. I know what my goals are, I've been working really hard, but I'm starting to get a little bit disappointed. I mean, everyone says your soulmates are out there, but it's been so long and I'm starting to think that there's no good guys left and there's no right women left. Reactionary consciousness is where you allow your physical senses to control what you think and feel. Now, the number one sign that what you want is coming is that you feel it from within. In the Bible, it says the kingdom of heaven is within you. To seek first the kingdom of heaven, and then all things will be given to you. What is that saying? The kingdom of heaven, in other words, is finding that paradise within you. Finding those feelings and those emotions within you, regardless of whether or not you see them in the outside world. In Paramahansa Yogananda's book, The Autobiography of a Yogi, there's a paraphrase quote, and a woman, like a guru, told him to seek not the paltry tinsel of earth, and said to go within and find that place within yourself, and then all these haphazard, everything in the outside world will come to you, but it'll be secondary to an inner state. So you know that what you want is on the way when you feel the emotions of it and you're producing and circulating the energy of it regardless of what's outside of you. In fact, that's the only way to create something new and different, is that your consciousness and your feeling and your emotion has to be greater than your present environment. Most people feel in correspondence to their environment. However much money is in their bank account when they log in, that's how they feel about their money situation. Wherever their present job, work, romantic relationship, wherever it is now, that's how they feel. But the question is, can you feel gratitude for a future possibility before it's actually made manifest, before it's actually happened? Can you feel so grateful and excited that you are matching the frequency of what you want? And that's what the law of attraction says. It says that like energy attracts like energy. So your energy is up here, even though you don't have what you want yet in the physical realm, but your energy is up here. And the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. So your vibrational set point, your frequency, your energy that you're radiating, that you're projecting into the universe, because the universe, God, doesn't speak English, Spanish, or Portuguese. It speaks frequency. And your frequency is on the energy of what you want. Your frequency is projecting wealth. It's projecting abundance. It's projecting excitement. It's projecting an overwhelming sense of gratitude or love. It's up here. And then you start radiating that frequency outwards. And you start pulling things back that match that frequency, much like the Earth has a gravitational pull that keeps the moon in its orbit. You have a gravitational pull at all times, and it's your vibration, and it pulls things back into your orbit that match your frequency. So all you have to do is keep feeling the energy of what you want. And you say, well, how do I do that? Well, go do things that make you feel that way. If you love swimming, go to the beach and swim. If you love hiking, go hike, go meditate, go do whatever it is that will get you in the feeling of the love that you want, the joy that you want, the wealth you want, the freedom you want, the confidence that you want. Instead of waiting for the outside environment to tell you that you have what you want, start claiming it into existence from your own frequency, energy, and emotions, and then you will get it. It's just going to happen because you're projecting a whole new frequency. So this is the number one sign that what you want is on the way. And if you really want to amplify that, I created a success hypnosis. It's free. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, to reprogram your subconscious. Because the subconscious mind controls 95% of your life. And if you do not reprogram your subconscious will habitually operate based off of your past experiences. So you have to program it towards the success that you want. And then your subconscious will start manifesting things for you. Life gets easier and easier. So it's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Over 400,000 people from all over the world have used it now. It's jakeshypnosis.com. So go right there down below. And you can start to use that every day to get you in the feeling, the frequency, the emotion, and the vibration of what you want. And then you know that it's on the way when you're driving in your car or you're walking at aisle 7 of the grocery store and you're just walking and you're just like, whoa, I feel good. It's being happy for no reason. It's you producing the feelings and emotions that you want for no reason. Just because you can. And when that happens, you unlock the seed to creation. Most people think they cannot have happiness unless they get something in the outside world. They cannot have the feeling of freedom they want unless they get the money. They cannot feel the peace of mind and love that they want unless they find their soulmate. And so they're constantly in an energy of lack because they're waiting for the thing in the outside world to come to them. Then they'll be better. Then life will be great. Then they'll get what they want. When in fact, the only way to have an overwhelming sense of joy, freedom, happiness, fulfillment, love, confidence, the only way to have all of that is to cultivate it regardless of the outside environment. Then your energy goes to here, and a bunch of new experiences match your new heightened vibration, your new energy. And working this way always connects you to the truth. Seeking first the kingdom of within, and then all things will be revealed unto you. You live from this inner awareness, recognizing that there's so many fantastic things in the outside world, from dating, soulmates, traveling the world, having financial freedom, driving the car you want, doing what you want with your life. All those things are great, but they're actually secondary. And they come once you master your inner emotional realm. And you've been given emotions. Your emotions are energy and motion. Emotion is energy and motion. Comment that down below. Emotion is energy and motion. Emotion is energy and motion. You've been given emotions as your GPS. You know, you have a GPS in a car and it tells you whether you're on the right track for your destination or not. Your emotions are your manifestation GPS. And you can tell by how you feel whether you're attracting the money you want, the opportunities you want, the adventures you want, the dating you want, by how you feel. So you can always take a few deep breaths and connect back to that place within yourself. the number one sign that what you want is coming is that you are producing the feelings, the emotions, the gratitude for it, independent of your outside environment. Now, in conclusion, I want to take you through a quick few-minute guided meditation to get you in the feeling or emotion of what it is that you want. Before we get into that, if you haven't yet, Jake's Hypnosis is right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, and that's free to use. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because the bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, even if you're already subscribed. Just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side, and let's get right into the guided meditation. Take a deep breath in, and when you exhale, make your exhale deeper than your inhale. Exhale all the way until you feel your abs engage and you get all the old air and energy out of your body. Inhaling, exhale. All is well. Can you feel it? All is well. Breathing in, breathing out. Every cell of your body is vibrating in harmony with the perfection of the universe. Breathing in, breathing out. This universe is friendly. God is on your side. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. All is well. All is well. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling a smile on your face. That deeper knowing that everything is going to work out perfectly. The universe is conspiring to make sure all you want comes to you now. Breathing in, breathing out. When you stay in this positive anticipation of the great things to come, and you continue to breathe in and out in the assurance that all is well, you continue to attract greater and greater and greater things. Breathing in, breathing out. Now for the next few moments, I'm going to allow the music to play without my voice as you continue to breathe in and breathe out. Say to yourself, all is well. This universe is friendly. Breathing in, breathing out. All is well. Breathing in, breathing out.